Would you agree that parking is surrounded mostly by only negative thoughts? Parking tickets, the high cost of parking, or even just finding a space. And the thing is, people don't want to park their cars, they just want to go places. For example, I don't want to go and park at the kindergarten, I just want to pick up my kids. We're combining technology to reduce the hassle from parking. We want to save people time, money, and probably nerves. Here's our story. In 2015, me and my co-founders sat behind that window at Estonia Puiestee, and we saw the parking lot of Estonian National Opera. It had 80 vacant spaces, while the parking on street cost around €5 per hour. Out of curiosity, we did a quick calculation that the theater could actually make up to €30,000 per month. We called up the director of the theater, and when he said, "Boys, if you can make that happen, let's give it a try," parking was born. We coded the first version of parking in a week, assembled controllers that can open the barriers, and also made a few more calls to property owners. The idea was essentially that random people can download our app, open barriers from their phones, and literally park for half the price they would have paid on the streets. During 2016 and 17, we onboarded 100 new car parks, and the parking app as of today has been downloaded over 50,000 times. And last year, the biggest parking operator in Estonia, Europark, decided to enable the parking app payments at almost all of their car parks. But parking never wanted to be just another parking app. Driving a car comes with more responsibilities, such as washing, fueling, insuring, fixing, or even replacing your tires. We believe that all of these services should be handled by technology, while the driver can focus on things that really matter. We also asked ourselves how to provide more value to our 50,000 drivers, and we decided to implement the parking platform and car washes. The reception has been astonishing. 80% of Estonian car washes have joined parking already. Customer experience is similar to parking, but instead of opening a barrier, drivers can use the parking app to start the car wash directly from the phone. In a world where people buy almost everything online, we see parking as an invisible friend who takes care of all the car-centric services. Our vision is that you don't need to park your car, you just need to allow us to find the most affordable and convenient spot just when needed. Today, parking is used at 450 locations in 5 countries. We plan to add at least 200 new merchant locations in the next 12 months and reach at least 5,000 locations within the next 5 years. We've grown the number of merchants and users every year. Parking was used for 20,000 parkings and 16,000 car washes in last December. Although we recently turned cash flow positive, we decided to onboard more capital on Funderbeam. We want to invest into active sales on our target markets and also manufacture new controllers. So far, we've made first steps in German, Finnish, Lithuanian, and Polish markets, and half of our revenue already comes from abroad. We want to accelerate the growth by active sales, and for that, we need your help. You can join the team and help us build the global platform for car-centric services.